Hey guys, let's see how to make cloth simulation using physics. Delete default cube. Press Shift-A, add plane. Go to Transform tab, press right-click and drag down to change XYZ value at same time. I set 2. Now go to Edit mode. Press right-click, click Subdivide, expand Subdivide and set number of cuts 50. Go to Object mode. Press Shift-A and add UV sphere. Right-click and click Auto Smooth. Bring the plane up. Click Plane, go to Physics tab. Click Cloth. Now click UV sphere. Click Collision. Change friction value to 80. Press space button to play or click this button to play. Now pause the frame which you satisfied. Now go to Modifier tab, select Cloth, click Apply on Cloth. Add Modifier, Generate, add Subdivision Surface Modifier. Set Viewport value 3, and Render value 3, click Apply. Add Modifier, Generate, add Solidify Modifier. Change thickness value to 0.001 for thickness. Click Apply. Now add some cloth texture. I download it online. Here is the cloth by using physics. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.